Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Instinct tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to calibrate the compass on your Garmin Instinct. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we need to do is open the menu by holding down the menu button, then scroll down using the ABC button to Settings. Once we're in Settings, we'll scroll down all the way to Sensors and Accessories. Once in here, we'll scroll down until we see Compass, and then we would select Calibrate. Now before I hit start, it's much easier to do this when the watch is on your wrist, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on. So with the watch on, I'm going to press start, and as you can see it's kind of telling us to make a figure 8 motion. So to do this we need to make two motions at the same time. We need to turn our wrist while we move the watch forward and backwards. So as we're moving the watch forward, we'll turn our wrist towards ourselves, and then when we're moving it away, we'll turn it outwards away from ourselves. And then just repeat the same process when you bring it back. So it's a little hard to describe, but I'll show you real quick. And as you can see, that quickly it calibrated it. So that's how you calibrate the compass on your Garmin Instinct. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Instinct tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.